Hello there everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this one, we are looking at Sndl stock again. So Sndl is now trading at 71 cent, and obviously it's come up quite a lot recently, and the big question for tonight's episode is this one going to hit $1, and actually how long is it going to take to hit $1, because personally, in my opinion, I think it is bound to hit $1, especially if we do see what we are seeing right now continue. I think it's definitely going to hit that $1 point sooner than some people might actually expect. So of course, all that kind of good stuff and more is coming up in tonight's episode, so if it does sound like a good plan for a video, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because you guys already know we make videos like this on all different kinds of stocks every single day. On top of that guys, if you do want to become a channel member, you can do so by pressing the join button. Obviously that will help you to donate to the channel if you would like to, only a small amount per month, but you know it does go a long way. And if you want to come talk to us on Discord, you can. Link to our Discord server is down in the description. So yeah guys, we're not going to waste any more time, we are going to jump straight in, but just before we do, I need to state that I am not a financial advisor, and this is all just my opinion. And I know I say that at the start of every video, but it is kind of important just for my safety and your safety. So guys, of course, just jumping straight in, we can see on screen right now, over the past month especially, Sndl stock has been up quite a lot, and I think a lot of that is due to the fact that the company is quite recently out of debt, and that means that the company can actually start claiming a decent amount of profit back, and of course start making some money. So of course, because of that, we are up 42% over the past month, and of course it doesn't really look like that growth is going anywhere. I mean, yes, we did see a bit of a dip on the 12th and 11th, and of course this put us down a small percentage. It did continue on to the 13th, but obviously on the 14th and subsequently the 15th, we are seeing big increases, which I do believe are putting us up to the similar price that we saw on the 11th. So of course, almost about to break out to new highs. Looking at the patterns over the past 5 days, I don't think it's too impossible that we can actually hit new highs at 80 cent. I think it's definitely going to happen at some point in the next week, in my personal opinion. And I just think we're looking at a very strong position with this stock. So obviously, looking at this one, I do think it is a decent buy right now. I mean, my opinion has changed slightly since the company went out of debt and all that kind of stuff, because now they are going to be making some profits in the future. So if you are willing to hold this one for like 5 to 10 years, definitely a decent buy in my opinion, because of course, looking at the market sector, we have some potential room for legalization of cannabis in multiple states, and of course if that does happen, the company does have a potential revenue increase forecasted for the next few years, and of course that will help them going forwards. On top of that guys, I do generally think that this stock is going to get pumped up a lot more in the next few months and the next year or so, because I think a lot more people will be becoming aware of this company as it does grow its market cap, as it does grow its profits, and of course as it does grow its share price. So overall, obviously Sndl is not a bad stock. I do think we do have some potential to hit $1. I'm not saying it's going to be next week, because I can't see it shooting up that quickly in my personal opinion, and like I said, I am not a financial advisor. I can see this one touching $1 in the next 1 to 3 months. I know that's relatively close, some would say it's actually quite far away, but in my view I think it's very close, especially considering what we have been seeing over the past 6 months with this one, where it has been pretty flat for quite some time and people were just wondering what is going to happen with it. But now it looks like it is back on the increase. I mean, we're definitely about to touch a new level where it could potentially break out to a new high. Hopefully we don't see it go down, because you know, if it went down a bit, not necessarily a bad thing in my opinion, but you know, if we do see a few days of negativity, it could indicate that things may not be going as well as anticipated. But overall, I am optimistic on this one. I hope that we break out on Monday, and I think if we do, it'll put us in a great position for the rest of the week, and of course put us on target for that price of $1 in the next 1 to 3 months. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my quick opinion video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.